Hey everyone, so in today's video we'll see how to fix a flat tire with a puncture repair kit. And if you can see over here, I'm sprinkling some water on the nail that's in the tire, and there's definitely a puncture here. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get this nail out. And for that I'm going to use the nose plier that has come with the puncture repair kit that I've bought. So if you want to buy the same kit, you can head down to the description section below, and I've provided a link for that. Alright, and as you are pulling this thing out using the plier, you have to keep the probe ready, because once I get this out, a lot of air is going to escape, and I will be inserting the probe in as quickly as possible to reduce the air loss, because I need some air in the tire as well. So here, as you can see, there's a lot of air that's escaping, and this is the kind of probe that you get with the kit, which you need to insert and increase the hole. This thing is going to take a little bit of efforts, so just increase the hole and push it all the way inside. And you can keep it like this until you prepare the rubber strip. Now, with every standard puncture repair kit, you get these kind of rubber strips that you need to insert in this reamer tool, and you got to place them exactly in the center. And then on this we'll be applying the rubber cement, which is also come with the package. So let's apply this on both the sides. Okay, now I will pull the probe out and then insert this reamer thing inside. Now here again you will have to put some additional efforts to get this thing all the way in. Actually, we are not going to push it all the way in. We'll keep 1/4 of it outside, and 3/4 of this rubber strip will go inside. So I'm going to keep this bit outside and then quickly snap the reamer tool out or pull it out, and we are pretty much done. So this was the instruction manual that came with the kit that I'm using. It's got very detailed information on how to repair a puncture, the same thing that I showed you right now. And now the final step here would be to cut the extra rubber thing that is hanging outside. So for this, again, there is a blade that's provided. And yeah, this is how the tire looks finally. Now we'll fill in some air up to the tire pressure that's required as per your car, and that's basically done. So now I'm spraying the water again, and you can see there are no air bubbles popping out, so the puncture repair is done. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, post them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. So thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to my channel.